my name is Julia Semon, and I'm a designer here at Empire. I'm originally from Las Vegas, Nevada, and I've been in the design industry for the past 5 years. This is my first year at Empire, and I'm super pumped to be here. My favorite part of the design process is definitely installation day. You know, it's so unbelievably satisfying when you see your design vision come to life. After months of specifying and ordering things, just each individual item coming together is my favorite part. When I pick finishes, I'm definitely planning for real life, and quality is key. I create a balanced space by keeping my furniture neutral and timeless. A trend that I'm most excited for and I've been seeing is having an office space become a focal point of a house. You know, offices used to kind of be tucked away, but now that a lot more people are working from home, it's kind of become a necessity. What inspires me? I think I have a huge heart for people, and I have a passion for architecture and decor. And I was lucky enough to be able to combine my two greatest passions, which is family and design. And as the home sets the stage for years of life and love with your family, I truly believe that it deserves all the love, care, and attention it needs to make it the best backdrop for you and your family. I stay up to date with industry trends through social media. I think it's a huge platform, and just being able to follow people and their style and just keep up with what other people are doing is a great way to stay in touch with what's going on. My best advice for customers is to trust Empire. I work with some of the most talented, trustworthy, and committed people.